Let's look at this question. If a is a real number and a minus is defined as the greatest integer less than or equal to a, and a plus is defined as the least integer greater than or equal to a, the four values PQRS are identified for two real numbers m and n in the following manner. And then you're given these four expressions. Which of the following cannot be true? Okay. Which of the following cannot be true? Looking at the options, I see R and S are related here, R and S are related here, P and Q are related here, P and Q are related here. So I only need to bother about these two as a pair and these two as a pair. Now these are options, B and C are definitely incorrect. Why they are definitely incorrect is because if you simply take m equal to 1 and n equal to 1, you get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4, and 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 4. So r equal to s you can definitely get. So this can be true. Option B is 1. Similarly, take p equal to q, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So this can definitely be true. So option B and C are eliminated. We only need to see, can R be greater than S and can P be greater than Q? Okay. I'm going to check with M equal to N equal to 0.5. So m plus would now become 1 because m plus is defined as the least integer greater than equal to a. So m plus would be the least integer greater than 0.5 is 1. N plus would also be 1. And m plus n plus, this m plus n is 1. So plus of that is 1. So r would be equal to 3. Let's look at s. S would be how much? 2m. So 1. And 2n. So 1. So this would be equal to 2, which means R is indeed greater than S at m equal to n equal to 0.5. So this cannot be true. By process of elimination, D should be the answer. Let's also try it for the same set of values. M is equal to n is equal to 0.5. They can be equal to each other, that I know. M is equal to n is equal to 0.5. M minus would be 0, n minus would be 0, and m plus n would be 1. 2m would be equal to 1, and 2n would be equal to 1. Yes, p is not greater than 0. In fact, the reverse is true. Q is greater than 0. If Q is greater than p, the answer should be option D.